their future are raw. Can you hear it? The greatness of a nation can be judged by the way its animals are treated, by Mahatma Gandhi.
The Assam Royal Global University is celebrating International Tiger Day 2025, a roar for tomorrow. Let us hear the majesty of the tiger, the beginning. Hear my roar on this International Tiger Day. Greetings, friends. I am a humble tiger, and today, July 29th, is a very special day for my kind. Because it's International Tiger Day.
Once, we were innumerable, spanning vast territories in Asia, with over 100,000 in India at the early 20th century. Our roar echoed through dense forests, rivers, a symbol of wild, untamed nature.
With 9 subspecies of tigers originally found globally. 3 are currently extinct. These are the Javan tiger, the Balinese tiger and the Caspian tiger. And now, the surviving 6 tigers today are
the Bengal tiger, the Malayan tiger, the Siberian tiger, the Indo-Chinese tiger, the Sumatran tiger, the South China tiger.
And now, a century of decline, and we were 97% vanished. But then, our numbers began to shrink.
By 1972, India's tiger population plummeted to a mere 1,827. Globally, by 2010, only about 3,200 of us remained in the wild. That is a staggering 97% gone in just a century. It was an alarming decline.
The wake-up call or global efforts. TX2 goal, International Tiger Day, a call to action. This stark reality led to the creation of International Tiger Day. It's a day born from urgency, dedicated to addressing our alarming decline and advocating for our preservation. In 2010, leaders from 13 tiger range countries, including India, gathered at the St. Petersburg Tiger Summit.
TX2 goal.
TX2 goal, doubling wild tigers by 2022. Thanks to this ambitious goal, now numbers rise from 3,200 in 2010 to 4,500 by 2022, and a promising increase of 5,574 by 2023.
With this goal now India, Nepal, Bhutan, and Russia have seen the highest rise, with India now home to 60% of the world's tigers.
So, the threats we still face constantly are poaching,
habitat loss,
human-tiger conflict,
retaliation killing.
Do you know why you need us? Because we are apex predators, ecosystem keepers. We play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems, helping shape them by limiting herbivore populations and protecting biodiversity. Our survival is your survival.
Mitigation or Global Tiger Forum approach through smart solutions, minimizing conflict, implementing countermeasures, fences and barbed wire houses for cattle and livestock, awareness programs. Global Tiger Forum, leading the way towards fosters global awareness and cooperation. Involved in St. Petersburg Summit, helps reclaim future. It's now time for call to action. Your role, let us take action by stop poaching, planting trees. We humans are the reason tigers are roaring for help. Let's be the reason they roar with freedom again. And by support, spread awareness, make eco choices, supporting conservation, spreading awareness, making eco-friendly choices, joining species for survival, preserving planet's beauty. Listen to Voices for Tiger Conservation by the Assam Royal Global University. Folks about us.
Hi. So, do you have any idea like which country have the most population of tiger?
I guess India. Yes.
Okay. So, I'm gonna ask you another question. Like, what does tiger symbolize to you?
Okay, so for me, like personally, tigers represent like symbol of strength, resilience, and acquired dignity, and like they also embody a fierce independence and also a hidden face of like beauty and grace. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
So, why do you think International Tigers Day is celebrated? I guess to raise the awareness about the importance of tigers, and then to promote tiger conversation, and then to remind the world that tigers are in danger and then they should be protected.
And why do you think population of tigers is declining?
I think mainly because of habitat loss, because people are cutting down forests, and then they are building roads, buildings. So because of that, and then people are handing down tigers for their bone, skin, and their body parts, which are sold legally. And then because of less prey also, tigers has less prey boar and deer to hunt and for their food. Yeah, and then mainly because of it can be because of climate change also, and then sometimes people are moving to the tiger areas, and then so sometimes tiger might attack them, and in return they got killed because of that, I guess.
Thank you.
If you have ever seen a tiger in real life, and if yes, then how was your experience?
I've seen a lot in my life. If I have to mention, it feel a little bit scared, but obviously I was seated in the zoo, so I feel a little bit safe because he was in the zoo now. And plus, when I see his face, I feel power and lone warrior, like that, because tiger usually live alone. So yeah, that's it, I guess.
Thank you so much.
Well, do you think saving tigers should be a global responsibility?
Sure.
If yes, then why?
Because tiger is also a part of ecosystems. So if tiger extinct, so the ecosystems were damaged in some parts. So government or many people should maintain the populations of the tigers, and they should maintain.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear folks, for sharing your thoughts for me, my family, and friends. Protecting tigers means protecting our planet's future. And also, thank you for listening to my story. Together, we can ensure that the roar of the tiger continues to echo through the forests for generations to come. Happy International Tiger Day. Thank you for watching.